and I'm getting ready for a BNI meeting that I have every Friday. Um, oh yeah.
It looks like Mar-a-Lago.
Yeah. This is actually Palm Springs, but you know, the slot machines.
Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning.
All right, what do we got going on today? We're gonna be we got a call from a good friend and a company that I do business with, and we have to do some disinfectant application. I got a fogging machine here. They already wiped down and cleaned a lot of the items inside of their shop, and I have to go there and apply disinfectant. I have to do it myself because it's an emergency, and the guys are out cleaning. I already got my fogger, I got my disinfectant, and I'm gonna look out for a suit and a full face mask. That way I protect myself, I protect the team here, and it's done the right way. What you saw there is our toolbox for water damage. Here's a full suit, and then this is my full face mask with HEPA filters on it. That way I don't breathe in any contamination, and I'm gonna make sure I got some glove. I'm ready to head out. Is your van is dirty? That's ours. Check that out. It is full of mud. After I got out of the a hole on grass, but with the way temperatures are, it's going to freeze if I just try to clean it. Check that out. All right, if you ever had the situation of having an outbreak of COVID-19, my recommendation to you is, of course, to follow the CDC rules, and also make sure that you let your employee, your team member, your family member go home. What's recommended is to clean everything, steam clean everything, wipe down everything with the recommended disinfectant, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. The building owner already cleaned a lot of items, and they're just gonna let us come in and disinfect everything, fog it with our fogging machine. We're gonna do walls, all the items inside of the building, and that's all we can do, and hopefully everybody is okay in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and film a section for you, that way you can see how the whole process is done. All right, we're already inside. I'm gonna put on my my suit, a mask. I'm ready to go. Suit on first. Trying to remove the mask since I won't need it. Face mask on, and you probably won't be able to hear me anymore. Alright, the disinfectant application is done. I spray everything up and down. Took my time. I went a little heavier in some areas that they told me that they want me to concentrate a little more. I did also the back of the warehouse of the shop, but I didn't film that part. I hope you like the video, and if you have any outbreak of COVID, please be safe. Make sure your family's safe. Hire a professional to come in and apply the recommended disinfectant for you. And that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment on this video, or like the page, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.